headed by a woman.
As part of the preparation for the coming of the Khasi Jaintia Presbyterian Synod semi-annual meeting 2025 at Sakwang Presbyterian Church under Sakwang Presbytery, Mawkyrwat MLA Renington L. Tongkhar today inspected different internal roads in Sakwang and Pyndensakwang villages. Tongkhar was accompanied by Ministry of Pyndensakwang Village, Arnes Lingdo, Ministry of Sakwang Village, Shining Star Karjarin, officials from the PWD Roads and church leaders from Sakwang Presbyterian Church. Speaking to media person after the inspection, Tongkhar thanks the government through the PWD Roads for sanctioning ₹7 crores for construction of roads in these two villages. However, he said they still need more internal roads.
Kita layak, ini kita kiba layak sanction, kita layak tray kontraktor. Dari kidang don sakatukan ni pada ki surok ki barang don kam ayat tray, kam tam kini ki surok ki posnom internal road, ha kabakaran kam ban snap ban sengrong di surok posnom. Jadi don hang ni dah katakan sim jong kecing ya sim kia nak lagi posnom ki don berarti ki menteri, nak lagi menteri juga Sakwang, nak lagi menteri juga Pyndensakwang. Kidon lang bat ngi da kapapan pawe kita kaji sim lang kaji gerkle banyu I ba kaji program lang ka ba ya pe ja jamte kam tam jing perskutu I ki trai jaka hak bakin ya ai na kam tam ban sna surok